Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I just did a 6x6 using white, black, and apple barrel Caribbean blue, and those are the only colors in it. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. This one has apple barrel bluebell in it. It's blue, but it has almost like a lavender tint to it. So I want to see how it works. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use this equal parts of the white and the blue with half that much in black, or estimating. That's about what I'm going to get. Forgot to check my consistency, but it feels about the same. And that seems to be sinking, so I'm going to let it sink for a minute. Maybe even a little less than half. Even a little less than half. Okay. Sit there and wait for a minute. Let it see if it drips down. Does its thing. I hope everybody's having a good day today. It's kind of late in the evening for me to be doing this, but I've had a good day. I went shopping, went to Hobby Lobby, got these at Walmart, got that run over with, and came home and cut bamboo in my backyard because it's trying to take over. The previous owner apparently planted some a long time ago. I have a whole field of bamboo behind my house, and it's not the small bamboo, it's the stuff that's this big and 30 feet tall, which it makes a good sound barrier because I have neighbors across the creek from me on the other street, and I hear them every now and then, so I think that probably helps. The bamboo helps with that. And then also it's green, so in the wintertime when I look out my kitchen window, I see green. I don't see brown, dull and dead, so that's pretty nice. So let's see what we have going on here. Should put a little bit more. You would have thought I would have learned the last time. Last time I'm like, I'm not sure I have enough paint. And I had to add some more. I have a bird. I may have a lump, a lumpy lump. Well, I think that was just a bubble. Okay, I can see blue under here. I have lacing right here, over here. Have a flower. I have a big blob. So let's just see what happens. I'm not going to get too froggy here with the paint. Hate to lose my bird. This is going to look very strange. Very strange. Not enough paint. Again. Probably I don't have it quite thin enough. Could have had it a little bit thinner. That side's pretty, pretty. I'm gonna take some off this side over here. Yes, it could have been thinner. I forgot to check my consistency on that blue, and it's been sitting there for a few minutes because I just did another video. Okay, I can put some white in these other corners. Okay, let me look at this. Can take a little more off over here on that corner if it's still moving, and it is. Better not do that. I had a different color painting and used the same puppy pad. So, could be picking up some other color if I'm not careful. So, I'll just do it that way on that side. I can do the corners in white. All right, I like this. I think it's very cool. And I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm going to leave it. I really like this one white swoop right here. Looks almost like a highlight. And I love this right in here. And I don't mind the corner. So. Fix that corner with that. Oops, got it too far over into the blue, but it'll be all right. Okie dokie. Think I'm finished. I'm gonna take the camera down and give you all a close-up. Let you see it the way I do. It's a little blah right in there, but I'm hoping that that might, I don't know, come through a little bit more. There's a little bit of white in there. So, I will take the camera down and give you a close-up. So, I love this color. This Apple Barrel Bluebell. I just absolutely love it. I got all kinds of cells. Look at that. That's amazing. No silicone. And the paint was even a little thick. I think if I'd have had it a little bit thinner, probably would have gotten more of this, like this over here. And so, that's how the side looks. That's how, oops, you can't see that one. That's how that side looks. And this part right here I was a little worried about, but it's got some lines and stuff in it, so it's not too boring. Love that thing, whatever that is. It doesn't look like a flower, but it's pretty. So I'm in love with this one too. Cool, happy. Thanks for watching. The picture at the end will be of it dry.